Say No to FGM. Written by Mycall Isrell. Copyright 2024.
Female genital mutilation. Say no to FGM. Stop mutilating our females. Say no to FGM.
In many countries, men are circumcised and don't cause health problem. So why do they circumcise women, cut and mutilate them with FGM? Why remove the female clitoris and even cut out more than this? FGM is a barbaric and evil practice with many life-changing health risks, short and long-term complications, death, mental trauma and infection. This crippling list goes on and on. Why do they do this to our women?
Female genital mutilation. Say no to FGM. Stop mutilating our females. Say no to FGM.
FGM is not in the Bible, Torah, or the Quran. So where does it come from? Some point to ancient Egypt, and our elders handed down the script. Today across Asia, India, and Africa, over 230 million females have suffered. Is it about culture, social, or religion? Or about control and oppression? Society tell girls they're unworthy and impure, and FGM is the cure. Maybe some society hate women having freedom, or having orgasms.
Female genital mutilation. Say no to FGM. Stop mutilating our females. Say no to FGM.
The UN, NSPCC, UNFPA, UNICEF, WHO estimates, but don't know how many girls a year are mutilated, scarred, crippled or left dead. There's 4 types of FGM, each one more extreme. I hear the girls' screams. These cutters have no medical training and use knives, scissors and razors. Girls are mutilated without anesthetic. Thinking about it makes me sick.
Female genital mutilation. Say no to FGM. Stop mutilating our females. Say no to FGM. Yes, I am disgusted and angry at the cutters, parents and the community. If adult females willingly want FGM, then that's their choice and no problem. But tying up little girls like animals, and like the Reaper, mutilate their genitals. You female and male cutters, I pray you get repeated FGM in hell forever. Yes, I said it and I don't give a damn if this poem helps save a child from harm. I wouldn't do it to my own daughters. I can't be silent, it's happening to others. Female genital mutilation. Say no to FGM. Stop mutilating our females. Say no to FGM.
Say No to FGM. Written by Mycall Isrell. Copyright 2024.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.